We are all dressed now to go tiramisu.
Hey, the toilets
Cute everywhere. First impression.
Sunset waves and sky so gold. Our stories just begun unfold. With every night a secret told. In whispered dreams you can't withhold.
We have arrived at the hotel. The only time you'll see me in a baggy shirt. Oh, it's okay. People can get free feet with Jessica. And then this is our view. I need the window because for filming, obviously. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, no. Where are the flats I have? Let me just chuck them here. Wow. I got this mini random kit and I was like, oh my god, maybe I can use it. Okay, I need to take this shirt out because I cannot have it wrinkly. Guys, this is the final shirt. Well, unworn, obviously. Whee! My tarot cards. Brother. Bro, this is how much makeup I brought. Laptop charger. I also brought a mirror in case. Whee! And then I need to take out my leather jackets. I brought my tripod. I brought my acrylic. Okay, this baby needs to come out. This is the skirt. These take so long to make. I brought my own hanger too. I couldn't decide, and then so I brought like multiple different shirts and then one dress as a base. My heels. I just washed my hair and now I'm gonna do my makeup look. This is everything I brought. Concealer. Oh my god, and I brought my flower nose mirror. Oh, I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pimples for the trip.
That is so fun. You were stressed out recently, huh?
Yeah, I literally cried last night to Jared.
About what?
I was overwhelmed, so much happening.
Bro, the shop is at 4.
What about other shops? These are 2 new lippies that I got sent. I think the brand is called Heart Percent. They're like these new lip tints. I got the 2 lilac versions. And then one's a very light one. I thought I'd take it on this trip with me to try because my whole color scheme is gonna be purple. And then this is the dark one. Very mauve, lilac, muted. I think I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna test how this holds up for the night and eating and everything. So I'll let you know how that goes. I think I'm gonna go with this muted mauvey brown tone. I'm gonna go in with this shade as like how I usually do with my egg yolk contouring on the edge. And then I'm gonna go in with this shade just with my finger and I'm just gonna slap it all across. Maybe I'll put some shimmer after. Oh my god, actually this is quite dark. We're gonna like go out later, revisit some shops, whatever is open, and then eat. Okay, I just put some of this light shade on the inner corner to like brighten it up like the slightest. I think I'm gonna go in with the purple here because I am wearing a purpley outfit, just right in the center. Ooh. Gonna take this thin brush and then balance out the glitter on the middle. Oh.
I just realized you were videoing. Hey!
Put on these fanned out lashes. I'm gonna finish it off now. And then I'm gonna powder on top. Oh my god. My lavender powder spilled a little bit. We are all dressed now to go out for the night. Oh, let me do like an outfit check. Bag, shirt. And my friend. Matching leather jacket.
Oh, I just put my hair.
No, it's okay. We're gonna go see if there's any shops open for us to shop. Otherwise, we're just gonna go straight into the eating. So let's go! Cuba Street. Wow. Oh no. Are we gonna gamble? Well, she's already getting one. Some cool shorts.
Is it good? What kind of punch? Oh, really? Can I have a sip? Oh, I don't think you'll like this, but you can try. It's like Campari, so it's bitter.
I hate bitter things.
This is strong.
The first thing that is served. First impression.
You like it?
Really good.
How about the pizza? Pizza's like done really well.
Really good. New dish arrived. Let me show you guys. Broccolini. Wow. I'm a broccoli fan. Excited. Tiramisu. Gonna come. Yeah, I'm gonna dig in.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, I love that. Satisfied my craving.
Can I say hi to the camera? Do I look okay though? Oh, that's the almond. I am being a sugar daddy and I'm shouting Xixi.
Oh yeah! Thank you, sugar mommy.
That's gonna be the green sugar.
Wow, so pretty. Oh, it's so cute everywhere. Yeah. Oh, that is so pretty. That's a painting right there. Do you know the way back? Oh, yeah, we walked down this entire place. We're back at the hotel. I did not reapply my lips. This is a chicken. I don't know if you would count that as like a stain. Maybe. Actually, let me do a comparison. Let me like put on half my lips so that you can see. Actually, in person, it still looks very pigmented.
Yeah.
Looks pretty good actually. Can you see the difference? It looks very light on camera. Actually, you know what? That's pretty good. That's pretty good. It's just the gloss that's gone. But color, after eating and drinking? No drinking?
Xixi had
No.
a ombre elderflower drink.
Oh, I look fine on camera. You just... And we did a little haul, a little damage. We both spent like $200 something. I got a new skirt. This is the name in place. I feel like there's like hardly any clothing with like purple floral stuff. Like that's what I like and want. And it's cool tone. You saw me try it on.
It was good.
My very first and maybe only Jellycats for now because this was like $79, $79.90. So basically $80 for this tiny little thing. This is like more expensive than a Laboo at this point.
It definitely is. The boo's like 25, 30.
No, Laboo was like $39.
What? For the ugly little thing? Oh!
But like I did buy one for like resale price and it was like $55. Bought a little pusheen pouch. Funny thing is actually 1 or 2 weeks ago I actually lost my wallet.
What?
But not my nice Charles and Keith wallet. This is the one that has like all the cards and my cash in
I
it.
don't have ID.
I know. I was like, I'm actually so thankful. So I guess this is a semi-replacement for the card holder wallet that I lost. And it's like pusheen and it's like white and I love white cats. This little guy was $18.90. We're gonna open, we also got smiskis. One of them is gonna be for my sister and the keychain one's gonna be for me. She also got some too.
I got a
Oh my god, you got that little...
Pie baby, a smisky. Oh fuck, this is... I have a boyfriend who doesn't watch this.
You think your boyfriend's gonna watch my
He is! I'm in it, he's gonna watch it. But I'll show my...
Wait, are you giving one to him?
Yeah, I am.
Oh, this vlog isn't gonna come out till like next one.
Oh, really? Okay.
So I don't.
And then this is a little unboxing one that I have to do. These two, I have to unbox. These
Wait, which one are you unboxing?
Both.
Just these two?
Just these two.
You're not gonna unbox that.
Yeah, these ones are cute though. I just
Okay.
want to show.
Okay.
Oh.
What's this?
Like, girl, you don't need to unbox it. This is literally it.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this not a blind box?
No,
Oh shit. I just thought this was cute.
no, this is literally it.
Oh shit. Oh well, I'm glad then, because I was like, this is cute. I didn't know. Well, I'm still gonna unbox it and show it.
I got the toilet smiskis. He's on the toilet.
Wait, let me zoom
on
in
the
a
toilet.
bit.
They're on the
So
toilet.
that we can sit back. Wait, really? I thought this was blind box too.
No, girl, I'm pretty sure that's just that.
Really? Is that what you...
Yeah, that's why I bought those other ones because it's
Oh! Oh, I'm so funny then.
Oh, how about open this? God, I'm too proud for this.
What the? Oh my god.
Yeah, it's literally it.
Oh, well, I'm happy then.
You can try a toothbrush on it now.
I could. I'm actually so dumb. I thought this was tooth, well, not tooth. I mean, blind box. I chose this one because it was purple, and it's so cute. It's so
Alright. Is there a card for these?
I don't.
Smiskis?
I've never unboxed these either.
Okay, you look at the card. You look at the card. I'm not gonna look at the card. Yeah, you can show the camera. You can show the card.
Wait, is there a card?
Is there a card?
No, there's no card.
Okay, easy. Okay.
I just thought this would be really cute to hang since I hang like so much stuff off my bags.
I have the one sitting on the toilet.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I thought he'd be green, but this is cute.
This was great. I thought this was funny. This little guy is just hanging.
Which one? Oh my god. Oh my god, wait. This is cute.
Let me show. This little guy is just sitting here. And then this one's my one. Mine's like...
Oh my god. Is that how you treat a baby?
They're little grown blobs. Yo, this looks cool. It's just like dragging that. Cute.
The Cuba mayo baby, which I'm really excited about because I love Cuba mayo.
This is not a blind box. This is a necklace that I bought.
Oh shit.
You see it?
I just saw the stand, so I know it's gonna be the funky one.
Funky one? What do you mean funky one? Oh.
The funky baby. The funky baby. Oh my god, look at this little butt.
Would you say this store was like a thrift store?
Oh yeah, definitely a thrift store. They
Okay.
have like vintage Gucci and Ferragamo.
Oh wow. I saw this bracelet at the very back of the cabinet because there was like a whole bunch of like purple stuff. And I was like, oh, this caught my eye. Look at how pretty. It's just there.
My funky baby.
This is like a deep purple and it's like flowers and dangly and beaded. And I was like, oh my god, this looks really cool. Like I've been really into like long chains lately. Ah! So this is my splurge. Oh, this is pretty long.
Yo, where's my little guy here? We buy a bottle of wine tonight to share in the hotel. What do you think?
Sure. I don't mind.
Candling and have a bottle of wine.
I'll do a tarot reading for you.
Oh my god, that's
Oh my god, wait, that'd be so cool.
this is going to your vlog.
Yeah, my YouTube vlog.